Hello everyone and welcome to your weekend weather forecast. It was freezing cold last night and this morning over the central parts of South Africa, and according to our temperature observations, Sutherland dropped down to -9 degrees last night, -3 degrees in Kimberley as well as Bloemfontein, extremely cold over the southern parts of the Free State with -8 degrees in Fourie-Smith and -9 degrees in Aliwal North. But believe it or not, the coldest place in South Africa, Buffelsfontein, dropped down to -16 degrees. It's going to be a mostly dry weekend across South Africa with a few showers expected on Tuesday. A sunny and warmer day for the central and western parts of South Africa, but partly cloudy and cooler conditions for parts of Limpopo and Mpumalanga and the Highveld. Light winds blowing across South Africa with a mostly southeasterly wind for Cape Town, a southwesterly wind along the southern coastline and the coast of the Eastern Cape with a northeasterly wind for KwaZulu-Natal. Cool weather across South Africa with only a high of 17 expected today in Cape Town as well as Graafrenet and Port Elizabeth, 21 degrees in Pietermaritzburg and 22 degrees in Durban, a chilly day in Johannesburg with only a high of 17 degrees and 19 expected in Pretoria. Overnight lows yet again freezing cold for the central parts of South Africa with a low of -5 degrees in Sutherland as well as Graafrenet, dropping down to freezing point in De Aar, -2 degrees in Bloemfontein, -1 in Bethlehem, a cold night for Johannesburg with a low of 3 degrees expected. But tomorrow, warmer and sunny weather across South Africa, but a partly cloudy and mild day for parts of Limpopo and the Lowveld. On Sunday, only a high of 21 degrees expected in Polokwane, 24 degrees for Mbombela as well as Richards Bay. A sunny and mild day for Durban with a high of 23 degrees, 21 for Johannesburg with 22 degrees in Mahikeng as well as Kimberley, and only 17 expected in Cape Town and Port Elizabeth. But on Monday, warmer weather for the western parts of South Africa with a high of 23 expected in Cape Town, 22 degrees for George, drizzle possible over the northern coast of KwaZulu-Natal, a high of 22 in Richards Bay, a much cooler day in the Lowveld with 20 in Mbombela and only a high of 19 degrees in Polokwane. That's all from me. Have a lovely weekend.